next up, let's welcome Aaron from Nekotronic. They have developed their digitalized search and rescue in the sky.
Yes, hello, Jun-sun, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear and see perfectly. Please go ahead.
Great. So hello, my name is Aaron Benedek. I am the CEO and architect of Nekotronic, a startup based in Yokohama, Japan, and founded in 2021. In almost any type of search and rescue operation, we find time to be the most critical factor. And while UAVs have been found to be an efficient, cost-effective tool in mapping terrain and locating survivors, we find search and rescue teams still fail to leverage the full capabilities of these amazing devices. We find there are limitations to scalability, and the flight time is usually limited to around 20 or 30 minutes, and there is a lack of intelligent flight path planning. The solution we are proposing is search and rescue in a box based on our multi-dimensional reservation system for space and time, which we have patented, a turnkey self-contained cloud hybrid solution. Our solution would enable hot swapping of drone swarms, effectively resulting in continuous flight. Industrial drone options are available with a flight time of around 2 hours as they are gasoline powered. We would saturate the sky, more drones safely in the sky while reducing risk to pilots, and we would offer intelligent flight path for multi-drone search and rescue patterns. The operator simply needs to enter LKP, click and go. For market opportunity, we see the global search and rescue drone market at around $3 billion for 2023. We see the Japan drone service market growing to around $490 million, and the Japan search and rescue drone market, consisting of 481 municipalities, provides us with our initial market opportunity at around $30 million. Our plan is to mature our technology through field tests, sell it as a self-contained turnkey solution to search and rescue units, and we are already beginning to engage with flying car manufacturers, highway and railway infrastructure providers. Our go-to-market strategy is to leverage partnerships, events, accelerators, and projects. We intend to sell the box for around $200,000 with a recurring revenue model of around 10%. We intend to sell it to fire departments initially in Japan with an eye towards global expansion. For our traction, we are currently in field tests with the city of Yokohama. We are in discussions with fire departments in Japan and the Office of Naval Research of the United States Navy. For infrastructure, we have had initial discussions with Japan Railway, Nexco, and flying car manufacturer Skydeck'22. For our competition, we see several companies offering a generic cloud-based platform for the Internet of Flying Things. As far as a self-contained kit, we see Palantir offering such solution, but for a single drone. We are the only company offering the search and rescue multi-drone tailored solution. As far as the team goes, we have myself, JD, our Skydeck' key advisor, Roger Edgar, our US advisor, Mr. Harada-san, our Yosko key advisor, Mr. Abe-san, our Japan advisor. We are asking for $500,000 to complete our seed round. We intend to use this money to build the box. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Aaron. All right.